This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to stage 14, issue 14 of the Eleanor. I was going to say Enterprise because it starts with the same letter, but it's nothing like the Enterprise build. This is the Eleanor build, also from Fanhome, but slightly different. This is the seat episode where we're building the rest of the seat. This is what we built previously, which I believe is the back of the seat. This is the seat of the seat, and it goes on there a bit like that, or quite like that, because this actually goes on there. I don't know why it's at that angle. I don't know. I thought it was to make it fold at a straight. I've got no idea, but that goes on there like that, and then this piece goes on, and obviously under the little rubbery bit at the front, and that is that. So yes, it does make it, when it bends forward and slightly angling. I'm assuming that's deliberate. It's probably like that in the real car, because this is going to be the left seat, so people will be getting in through here. So if you fold that forward, then it's moving away from you a little bit and give you a little bit more room to get in. Probably, I assume. Basically, that's that. We've got 4 screws to put in, which we have here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, leaving 1 spare as ever with these builds. It does say to put them in opposite corners, so I will, and I will also be not tightening any of them up until all of them are in place. So that's 2 in place. They're all going to have to pretty much line up, otherwise, you know, something's gone hideously wrong. Put that one in there, and this one in the final gap down there. Then you can go and tighten them all up. And then we have another part complete, and indeed another delivery complete. It feels like we're coming together quite quickly, although we haven't started on the main assembly of anything yet. We've got a couple of wheels, haven't we? We've got a couple of wheels, a door, and a seat, and obviously the entire hood. So yeah, there we have that left seat. I shall put that in the box aside for later assembly. That's obviously how it's going to attach. Probably another section to that before it attaches to the frame when we get the frame. So that is that. Another issue complete. Thank you very much for joining me. Do let me know what you think of the build so far, and I shall see you soon for this or other builds. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.